Today, I'm diving into a topic that is super important for all you Disney Plus fans out there. How to change your password on Disney Plus. Okay, let's get started. First things first, grab your device. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or laptop, you're gonna want to follow along closely. Alright, folks, open up that magical Disney Plus app right now. Phew, look at that splash screen. It's like entering the happiest place on earth. Am I right? Now, see that little profile picture in the bottom right corner? That's your gateway to all the changes you're about to make. Tap that, and let's move to the next step. Next up, scroll down and hit Account. Promise we're almost there, don't get distracted by all the amazing new shows. But if you do, just remember, we all love a binge watch. Once you're in the Account section, look for Manage My Disney. This is where the magic really begins. Alright, now here comes the part where we need to verify. Kinda like confirming if you really should watch Frozen again. Press here to change password and they will send you a code via email. Now, this is important. Keep your eyes peeled for that email because we need that code to unlock our new password. If you're like me and can't wait the full 5 seconds, take a deep breath and chant Hakuna Matata right now. It means no worries. Check your inbox. Oh, there it is. The code arrived. Remember to check that spam folder if it didn't pop up right away. Blame that impish internet goblin. They can really mess with your emails. Now, we're almost there. Go back to the app and enter that code. This part is crucial, my friends. You don't want your password to be something like Disney123. Come on, let's get creative. Use something strong. Something that even Maleficent can't guess. Now just head to the new password section and type it in. Remember, this is like the secret spell to your Disney kingdom. Once entered, you'll need to confirm it, just like you have to confirm whether that last episode really just ended on a cliffhanger. Hit save and voila, you did it. You've officially changed your password and secured your portal to all things Disney. So there you have it, folks. Changing your Disney Plus password might not be the most exciting thing in the world, but hey, it's definitely a necessary spell for safer streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment about your favorite Disney show down below, and subscribe for more magical tips and tricks. As always, thank you for joining me on this fantastical journey. May your passwords be strong and your streaming adventurous. See you next time.